Hello friends, now we are starting to learn arithmetic operators in Python. This is an important topic because we are entering the part of programming where we perform operations and calculations. So what are arithmetic operators? So arithmetic operators are symbols used to do mathematical operations. We usually place them between two values or variables to perform a calculation. So let's write some code. We can clearly list them. We will see in this lesson addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, module, and exponential operator. For example, I can use it inside the print function. If I want to add two values, for example, I write 5 and then I'm using addition operator. It's plus, and then I'm writing 3, for example. If I run it, you see 8 on the screen. I add two values. Let's copy this. I copy it and paste it here. If I want to subtract one value from another, I just organize a little bit. I run it. You see right now 2. I subtract 3 from 5 here. If I want to multiply two values, let's copy this and then here I paste it. I want to multiply 3 by 5. I run it again. You see 15 on the screen. Let's divide two values. For dividing one value from another, we use division operator. And after that, we will see floor division also. For example, I copy and paste here. If I use division operator, I run it. You see 1.66, it continues. It is a decimal number. It is not integer. If I don't want to see decimal part, if I want remove this decimal part, what I need to use? I need to use floor division operator. For example, I copy this and I paste it. I'm using right now floor division operator. It's 2 times I use division operator. If I run it, you see it's 1. I remove decimal part. It's so important. You need to see the nuances between division and floor division operator. Let's talk about modules operator. The modules operator gives the remainder after division. So I mean what is left over. For example, I copy this and then I paste here. I'm using modules operator. I type shift and then 5 on my keyboard. So I run it. What appears on the screen is 2. So after division, 2 is left. I mean 3 times 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 2 is left from this division. It's so important also. So let's continue by exponential operator. For exponential operator, we use double times a multiplication operator. So this operator is used to raise a number to the power of another. For example, if I want to see 2 power 3, what I am doing, I copy here, not 2 power 3, I continue with 5 and 3. If I want to see 5 power 3, 5 power 3 means 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 3 times we multiply 5. So the result should be 125. Let's check it. I run it. You see 125 on the screen. So these are the basic arithmetic operators in Python programming. We will use them a lot while solving math-related problems and building algorithms. See you in the next lesson.